Hi, it's Connecticut personal injury attorney Ryan McKeen here. I'm often asked, what losses can I claim after an accident? I'm going to give you, two bags here, the easy bag and the hard bag. So the easy bag is anything that you have a receipt for, the damage to your car, if there was property in your car, like, car seat or your golf clubs that got damaged, anything that has a value to that, that is what's called economic damages. And also medical bills, past medical bills, future medical bills, all of those things are things that you can claim after a car accident. Because what the law says is, look, the only thing the court can award is money. We can't put your car back together. We can't fix your arm. We can't fix your back. We can't do these things. So the only thing that we can award in terms of justice is money. And so the amount of harm that you suffer should equal the amount of money that you were awarded ultimately. And look, there's a whole bunch of complicated factors in that, whether it's liability or amounts of available insurance, and a host of things. But in an ideal world, the scales balance out. The second thing that you can get money for are non-economic damages. And this is a big bucket of things that includes things like emotional distress. It could include things like a scar where, you're in an accident, maybe you hit the windshield and you have a scar on your face. Like, how do you put a dollar value on a scar? We see scars after dog bites, those kinds of things that are sort of, intangible. So the engineers who are watching this are going like, I feel really comfortable with this bucket of things that have receipts, but less comfortable with the scar or the lack of sleep or the pain. But again, lawyers are trained, injury lawyers, good injury lawyers are trained on how to calculate those things, how to prove your case, how to show the other side what it is that you have suffered. And really, it's the work of a lawyer to prove it. So if you have any questions about what kind of damages that you may be entitled to after an accident of any kind, a dog bite, a car accident, medical malpractice, don't hesitate to give me a call, 877-CTF-WINS.